Hello, in this video, I will be showing you how to make your Instagram account private. This is a very quick and easy tutorial. So all you have to do is to simply log into your Instagram account. To do this, you have to make sure that you're using your personal account, that the professional or the business account. Now, if you are using a professional or business account, I'm going to show you how to switch account. Go to your profile and click the three lines at the top right corner. Now tap Settings and Privacy and then scroll down till you see Account Type and Tools. Okay, so scroll down now. Here it is. Tap this one and then switch to personal account if you're using professional. If you're using business, switch to personal account. Then once done, you can go back and you can now tap the three lines again. Go to Settings and Privacy and then scroll down till you see the option account privacy. So to make your Instagram private, you just have to turn this one on or toggle this one on. And as you can see, you are now using a private account on Instagram. So it means that when someone go to your profile or visits your profile, they cannot see your post, they cannot see anything. They have to follow you in order for them to see what's going on in your Instagram. So I hope this video helped you, and if you find this video helpful, please like. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next tutorials.